Hello guys, so it's me again, Rapi Sam Steel, and today's vlog guys, we have a new product again from Godox. So last vlog that we made, I think yesterday, we have a new Godox wireless microphone, a small wireless microphone. And today's vlog guys, I'm gonna give you the Godox smallest speed light. Yeah, I can say speed light because you have a control. So again guys, this is the Godox iM30 or iM30. Then I have M, then 30. Yan. So again, this is the smallest speed light that we have. That's perfect for your compact camera. That's why I have here the Panasonic GX85. So we will try take some sample photos with this flash, the Godox iM30, and let's see the quality of this flash. And yeah, so again guys, before we start, unbox and check the lights. Again, if you like this kind of content, if you like photography, please consider to subscribe and hit the notification bell so at least you'll be updated for all the videos that I will upload regarding photo, video tutorial, and comparison. So without further ado guys, let's start now. Again, this is the box of the Godox iM30 iFlash camera flash. So, ayan. It says here you have 1/64, 7 power steps. 7 power steps. You have S1 or S2 or slave mode. So, you can choose slave mode. And you will use a AAA battery. So, that's the only downside guys. You need to buy AAA battery, at least rechargeable AAA battery. But for me, I prefer USB direct lithium battery or built-in battery with the USB. So, yan. Just charge and go and yan. So again, it shows is ultra compact. Yan. So this is the light. Okay. So this is the device guys. It's too small. Smallest. Again, the smallest, compact, and nothing else. You have the manuals and done. So this is what inside the box of the new Godox iM30. Again, here you have your control. You have 7 stop from full power down to 1.5. Here, the side. Full power. Yan, full power 1:1, 1.5, 1/3. Yan. So you can control 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yan. S1 and S2. And AAA battery on that side. So we have AAA battery here. I will not use full power. Maybe I will use 1/16 power. Then let's connect to our Panasonic. Yan. Okay. Open our Panasonic. Okay, so let's try. Okay, video, sorry. Yan. So, wow. See? So, let's try to take some sample photos using this speed light. Smallest speed light. It's perfect for my Lumix. So, let's go.
Again, not good. Again. Should what I check.
Too much white. One more. Yeah, good. No, no.
Only last button.
Hello, sir. So guys, that's it for today's vlog. Again, I tried already this new Godox iM30 or iM30. Yeah, exactly. iM30. The smallest speed light and perfect for your compact camera. So I suggest if you have RX100 or some Sony, which is the Sony ZVE1 or ZV1, ZVE1 or CV1. Yeah, with this, because CV1 there's no pop-up flash. So this is perfect flash for your compact camera. So yeah, it's perfect for my Lumix. Actually, the Lumix is already built in pop-up flash, but I prefer this flash from Godox, the iM30. It's more power compared for my built-in flash of my camera. So yan, I think that's it for today's vlog, guys. Again, if you want to check the price and available, actually it's available here in AB World already. If you want to check the price, you can visit our website www.abworld.com, or if you want to check the device itself and test with your camera, compact camera, just come visit us here in Megastore Showroom. We have this iM30 and you can try and check the smallest speed light. So yan guys, I think that's it for today's vlog. Yan, hanggang dito na lang. Again, check to our website www.abworld.com. So yan guys, hanggang dito na lang. Thank you and mabuhay.